Python capitalize first letter only. I am aware. Capitalizes the first letter of a string, but what if the first character is an integer? This. To this.
If the first character is an integer, it will not capitalize the first letter. If you want the functionality, strip off the digits. You can use 2.is digit to check for each character.
Only because no one else has mentioned it. However, this would also give it doesn't just capitalize the first alphabetic character. But then .capitalize has the same issue, at least in that Joe Bob .capitalize equals Joe Bob, so may.
This is similar to @anon's answer in that it keeps the rest of the string's case intact, without the need for the re-module. As @zon pointed out, the function could use more error checking, such as checking that X is a sequence. However, I'm omitting edge cases to illustrate the technique. Updated per @normanius comment, thanks. Thanks to @geostonemartin in pointing out I didn't answer the question. Fixed that.
Here is a one-liner that will uppercase the first letter and leave the case of all subsequent letters. This will result in words with other uppercase letters.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.